Hello students and my dear subscribers. In this video, we are going to learn about the ternary operators in Python. Before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel. So, syntax. In C language, we have ternary operator. Same like that in Python also we have ternary operator. So here I am going to discuss about syntax first. Here we have syntax x equal to first value. After that I am going to define a condition. If the condition fails, it takes else value, that is second value. So I will explain with example, don't worry. If condition is true, then the first value will be considered. Means if condition, I am going to give condition. If condition is true, the given value, first value will be displayed. Otherwise means else second value will be displayed. Okay, so here take minimum equal to a. So minimum is a if the condition is true, otherwise b. So I have given two numbers and I am checking that which is the minimum number of that or maximum number of that. I am giving maximum equal to a and then condition. If it is, condition is failed, then only b will be possible, otherwise a will be the result. Suppose I have given a equal to 5 and b equal to 7. So I have given a equal to 5 and b equal to 7. So in this example, so minimum equal to a. What is the value of a? 5. And condition, what is the condition? 5 less than 7. So is it condition true? Yes, true. Why? Because 5 is less than 7 only. So answer will be the first value, otherwise it will be second value. And I am doing one more program for this, that is print biggest number of 3 numbers. So I have given integer input value 1, input value 2 and input value 3, and maximum I have given first value and condition. If it is the condition is wrong, I am going to give another condition. If it is wrong, another condition. Like this I am going to do ternary operators program. Okay, no problem. We will see an example on ternary operator. After that, we'll go to next topic. Okay, we will see. I'm opening my Python IDLE file. Open. I have saved already this program ternary operators in my computer. So ter.py is my file name. So here I have given. I will explain first this one. So here I am going to take 3 input values, that is a comma b comma c. So I am going to take a equal to some value, b equal to another value and c equal to 9. Like this I am going to take, and I am checking here ternary operator. So I can put any number of conditions in ternary operator. I am giving maximum. I want to find out maximum value. Maximum value in ABC. So A max equal to A if A greater than B and A greater than C. If A is greater than B and C, A is greater. Otherwise B. If B greater than C, else C. So this is the condition I am going to perform on 3 numbers to check whether the given number which given number is largest in 3 numbers. Okay, I will execute this, run. So enter the first number. I am entering 58 and 68 and 89. I have given 58, 68 and 89. So obviously we know that 89 will be the answer. So maximum value is 89. So by using ternary operator we have done this. Okay, this is about ternary operators in Python. So please do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in Python. Okay, so this is Mahesh, SV Technology signing off. Please do subscribe.